Older refrigerant systems use R22 gas, which is becoming extinct, and R410A is taking its place. So, in this crossroads, you need to choose an HVAC gauge that can take readings for both. There are many products available to choose HVAC manifold gauges, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best HVAC manifold gauges from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yellow Jacket 42006 Series 41 Manifold. The Yellow Jacket is considered hands down one of the best HVAC manufacturing companies. The company has provided several high-end pieces of equipment over the years. Their products are known for their durability and quality. The 42006 is the latest in their 41 series. The color-coded gauges are larger than their predecessors. The hoses are equipped for high pressure, and they are rated for R22, R410A, and R404A. In terms of performance, it is great. Very accurate with 1% accuracy. It means that even in critical charge systems, you will get an accurate reading. The Yellow Jacket 42006 is an analog gauge. It is capable of handling 800 psi pressure maximum, and the weight is only 4 pounds. Hose length is 60 inches. Comes with 1-year craftsmanship and usability warranty. Number 2. Lichamp HVAC gauges with hoses. The Professional Automotive Air Conditioning Diagnostic Manifold Gauge Set from LICHAMP brand is compatible with different refrigerants that include R134A, R410A, R404A, and R22. This kit is suitable for evacuation, charging, diagnostic check, and recovery work. It has a convenient 4-valve design that includes extra long 5-feet cord in 4 pieces with different color for easy identification. It is ideal for professional auto mechanics. The kit includes all the necessary equipment for AC charging work. The metal part of the tools is made from durable brass and aluminum, so it is quite heavy-duty. The package includes Acme adapter, tank adapter, valve core remover, 4-way diagnostic gauge, 5FT colored hose, rubber-coated partner, and adjustable quick coupler. Number 3. Extremapower US 4-way AC Manifold Gauge Set. The 4-way AC Manifold Gauge by Extremapower US is one of the most complete kits available on the market. It has the best gauge in the market. The gauges are durable, made of brass, and the 5-feet-long hoses make it very convenient to use. The gauges are dampened with silicone, and they are pretty accurate. But the hoses are pretty generic. So, it is best if you pick up a few low-loss fittings. The hoses are rated for R22, R410A, R134A, and R12. The durability is everything for this gauge. It is also easy to read. The gauges also come with clear plugs to finely tune the gauge when needed. The Extremapower US is an analog gauge. Its maximum capacity is 800 psi and comes weighing 4 pounds. Each hose has a length of 60 inches. Number 4. CPS Black Max MBH4P5EZ2V Manifold R134A. Unlike all the other gauges on this list, CPS Black Max MBH4P5EZ is a digital gauge. This product is known for its superior accuracy and high-quality metal design. It is equipped with triple seal piston valves, which makes it one of the most unique products on this list. The gauges are cased in metal, and additional protective casing is also included for them. The metal feels premium quality. It works with R134A, R22, R404A, and R410A refrigerants. The CPS Black Max MBH4P5EZ is a digital gauge. It is capable of handling 800 psi pressure while weighing only 5.04 pounds. The performance is excellent. 1% of reading pressure. The included Vortec valves are certified for 10 microns. Number 5. Mountain 8205 R134A Brass Manifold Gauge Set. The Mountain 8205 is an analog manifold gauge. It is made of brass, which makes it quite durable. Easy to connect and disconnect, works in cramped areas properly. The gauges are well made. It is consistent and very accurate. No matter how small the changes, this gauge will provide you readings. But this is an HVAC gauge that is designed specifically for R134A refrigerant. The durability is its strong point. Hoses are also made of thick material, and they also last longer. But it has some issues with the replacement adjustable connectors. The gauge is accurate. It uses sight glass in the manifold, which helps to view the flow of the refrigerant. The quick connect hoses are good, but there are instances where they leaked. So, take care of them properly. The Mountain 8205 is an effective analog gauge. It only works with 134A refrigerant. The weight is only 2.4 ounces. The hose length is 60 inches and comes with a 1-year warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.